This is the cycloalkane. You can see alkene outside and one ring attached with the double bond. So these are different products. We have to find what are the product. In P1, mercury. So mercuration of water is there, mercuration is there. So anti-Markovnikov rule apply over here. So hydrogen will be added to as per the M rule. So OH will be this side, hydrogen will be this side. So we will get the product like this one. So here will be your OH and here will be your hydrogen. This is the product one. Similarly, over you can see this is also Markovnikov rule. So instead of water, here methanol is present. So we will get product like this one. So this is our product. So we will get here this side again OCH3 and this side will be your hydrogen. So this is the product. HBr peroxides in this case. So again they will follow M rule, Markovnikov rule. So we will get product two sides. So one will be your Br this side, hydrogen this side. So this is the Markovnikov rule. Again P4 ozonolysis will take place. So this bond will split. So we will get product. One will be your ketone, this side one oxygen, this is one oxygen. So we will do product. One is the formaldehyde. So this is the formaldehyde. HBr, so this is the peroxide effect. This is the peroxide effect. So on this effect, so there will be your anti-Markovnikov rule. So we will get product like this one. So instead of adding hydrogen Br this side, so we will get Br this side. So this is the product of this reactions. Now in this case, same thing is there, but here cold dilute KMnO4. So in this case, we will get product like this one. There will be formation of glycol over here, cis glycol. Osmium hydroxide, here also same phenomena take place. So we will get product same OH and OH this side. This is the methane iodide. So diiodide methane is there, methylene iodide. So there will be insertion of this methylene group will take place here. Insertion of methylene group means this will be released as a methylene group. So this will insert between this pi bond and it will form a compound like this one. So this will be your this compound. So this is inserted over here. Pi bond is changed into this type of triangular cyclopropane. So in 4 here in product 4 there is Cl2 in water. So Cl2 water is nothing but this is HOCl, in which Cl is the positive charge and OH is the negative charge. So again it will be added as a M rule. So M rule means negative will be attached over the this side. So we will get product. So this side your OH and this side your Cl. So this is the addition of HOCl. CHBr3 there 50% sodium hydroxide. So in this 50% sodium hydroxide, so this will convert into CBr3. This is a strong nucleophile. So again this will Br2, this will be attached over, it will be inserted in place of pi bond. So you will get product. Inserted means again same product like this one, CH2I2 or CHBr2. So product will be again same. This is hydrogen. Hydrogen means hydrogenation of this compound take place. So we will get product this one. So hydrogen added on both sides. So this is the hydrogenation reaction. Hydrogenation reaction, that is the addition of hydrogen on this double bond. So these are the different cases. Just revise carefully and understand it, these reactions.